Hello, what's up guys, I hope you're all good. Yes, today we're drawing Kamado Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you know when the next lesson is ready. Let's start! I chose Tanjiro-kun for today because Demon Slayer has a very unique art style, as you can see the octagonal shape of his eyes, and this doesn't require very neat curves, so even if you can't draw very profound curves, it will look good. And also it doesn't require any advanced color shading. So this will be the basic structure. I won't be going over this today. If you don't know how to draw this basic structure, you should go watch this video. Till now we've been using a pencil, but as today we are adding color in it, so you should use a pointer because we will have to rub out the pencil lines later. So like I always say, start with the eyes. And for coloring in the eyes, I will be using 3 colors. A pink shade for the base, and a magenta for the additional hue, and lastly a black one for the shadow. Now here's one of my best art tricks. When coloring in a dark area, do not use the black color pencil because 1, it will give a grainy texture, and 2, it will get on your hands and you will end up smearing it all over your drawing. So we can use a black marker and add the lighter shade afterwards. Here I am making the outline that will separate the light and dark areas, and again I will use a marker. You can use the tip of the marker for filling in the sharp edges. And now let's fill in the hair with a magenta shade. This one is the light shade of sea green. Now it's time for the details. I am adding the shadows to the face. For the shadow in the eyes, I am using a mauve shade. And as always, please remember that the eyes are a central point, so you have to be very patient while doing the details. And the white part of his jacket. Now let's make his Hanafuda earrings. So here we have a very good looking Tanjiro-kun. If you didn't get anything, you can go back and watch it again. I hope you learned something good today. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.